Monitoring Group meeting was held under the chairmanship of Director General for Health Services on 4th of January 2025 to review the situation. The health systems and surveillance networks of the country remain vigilant, ensuring the country is ready to respond promptly to any emerging health challenges. There is no reason to worry. We are closely monitoring the situation.
Okay, so that's a statement that's come in from Union Health Minister, Mr. J.P. Nadda, who's confirmed that the central government is very, very closely monitoring the situation. And he says very categorically there that there's no reason to panic. There's no cause of concern just yet. So this is the first statement that's coming from the Union Health Minister. Remember, the central government has been putting out repeated messages to kind of ensure that there's no panic that spreads over the HMPV. And now you've got the Health Minister saying we're very, very closely monitoring the situation. Let's cut across to that statement.
विश्व भर में फैल रहा है। HMPV वायरस एक ऐसा वायरस है जो हवा के जरिए सांस लेते समय एक दूसरे में फैलता है। यह सभी आयु वर्ग के लोगों में संक्रमण का कारण भी बनता है। यह विशेष रूप से सर्दी और बसंत के मौसम के शुरुआती महीनों में अधिक देखा जाता है। चीन में जो HMPV वायरस के मामले पर हाल ही में आई रिपोर्ट्स पर स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय ने इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर मेडिकल रिसर्च के साथ और नेशनल सेंटर फॉर डिजीज कंट्रोल के साथ और वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ चीन सहित पड़ोसी देशों में स्थिति पर कड़ी निगरानी रखे हुए है। WHO ने भी स्थिति का संज्ञान लिया है और जल्द ही वो भी अपनी रिपोर्ट साझा करेंगे हमसे। ICMR, इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर मेडिकल रिसर्च और इंटीग्रेटेड डिजीज सर्विलेंस प्रोग्राम IDSP के साथ उपलब्ध सांस संबंधित वायरस के देशव्यापी डेटा को भी समीक्षा की जा रही है और भारत में किसी भी कॉमन रेस्पिरेटरी वायरल पैथोजन में किसी भी प्रकार की वृद्धि नहीं देखी गई है। में जॉइंट मॉनिटरिंग ग्रुप की बैठक 4 जनवरी को आयोजित की गई थी और स्थिति का जायजा लिया गया है। देश के हेल्थ सिस्टम्स और सर्विलेंस नेटवर्क्स किसी भी उभरते हुए हेल्थ चैलेंज के प्रति क्विक रिस्पांस देने के लिए सक्षम है और तैयार है। हम स्थिति का क्लोज मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। हम स्थिति का बहुत नजदीकी से जायजा ले रहे हैं और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हमें चिंता का कोई कारण नहीं होना चाहिए। स्वास्थ्य विभाग इन सारी बातों पर नजर रखे हुए है।
Okay, so you just heard that statement there from the Health Minister where he says essentially this is seasonal and that while there's been a spike in cases in China currently, he says that there is no reason to panic or fear. We have a robust surveillance network in the country and we can tackle any crisis if there is one. He says for now the situation is very much under control. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. First statement from Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda, who says that there's absolutely no reason to worry, that the Indian government is also very closely monitoring the situation. He's also said that, look, this is seasonal, and while it spreads very, very similar to COVID through air, transmits through the air, he says that necessary precautions are being taken. Remember, several states where these cases have been reported have also confirmed that they've issued advisories saying people should once again wear masks when in crowded places. But does that mean this is similar to COVID? Not at all. And that's something that the government has repeatedly said, that there's no reason to panic, there's no reason to worry, that even in people who have gotten this virus, it's similar to a common cold. The symptoms are similar to a common cold. And let's bring in Sneha Mordani, our health editor, for more details currently. Sneha, with the cases that have been reported in India, it was only a matter of time, of course, 4 cases that have been confirmed right now in the country. Is there a reason to worry because now cases have been reported in the country?
Well, right now, Akshita, the government of India clearly is saying that there is no reason to be worried. Now, there are two reasons why. A, because HMPV is being seen, in younger children and only in immunocompromised individuals. It's manifesting in a big way in these two segments of the population. Also, elderly can have some severe symptoms like pneumonia, but in general population, A, it's not been seen. Also, the children who were diagnosed with HMPV in India had no international travel histories, as the government of India. So no link with China just yet is what the government has said. Now, one reason to be satisfied, given that if at all the information from China through the videos that we have access is true, that hospitals are overwhelmed and crematoriums are kind of getting filled up, if there's such bad news from China, right now at this point in time, it has got no bearing in India because these patients have no travel history to China or no international travel history. Government says right now there is no reason to worry or panic. Having said that, there is no vaccine for HMPV. The symptoms are treated symptomatically, just like symptoms were treated for COVID-19. Also, one reason to be satisfied is that this is not an unknown enemy. HMPV has been in circulation for years together in India and in many other countries. In that sense, we are not dealing with something that we don't know about. Like COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, was an infection that we did not know about. So that's a big relief. The government right now says they're monitoring the situation. There is no surge that has been seen. In that sense, they are satisfied.
Okay. All right. Thanks very much, Sneha, for those details. Sneha pointing out very importantly that the cases that have been reported right now in the country weren't those with any travel history to China, so not necessarily linked. HMPV has always been around, and that's why you've got 4 cases also in the country.